Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SESN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the orange line and then green line here is coming from. But after today's price movement, quite a few updates need to be made. But first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now from a presentation point of view. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's just focus more so on the near term levels. And one of the newest areas of resistance and a very important level of resistance going forward is going to be based on that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. And that resistance is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And you can see that here. Price broke below it on that candle, and then the next couple of candles right there. Price tried to get back above it, could never quite do it. So going into the remainder of the week, $1.25 is going to be that near-term level of resistance that'll need to be broken. If there is any sort of chance, any sort of worthwhile bounce or, movement back to the upside, like I said, that's definitely going to be that first hurdle that needs to be cleared. And if the price can get up above there, then I'm sure I'd be back at that point to update the chart. But as of right now, that's definitely going to be that first key level, to watch. And then again, given this, has moved big in the past, might as well map out the next level of resistance just in case there is some sort of, big snapback type bounce. So if the price can get up above that $1.25 mark, next key level to watch after that would be right up there at $1.30. So $1.25 near-term resistance, and then next one after that, $1.30. As far as next potential areas of support are concerned, that is where the price has bounced from several times before, and that's down there at the dollar. We'll call it 19 cents, give or take. But if you go through the track record of the chart, you can see that found support here a whole bunch of times, then found support right there once more before a big bounce to the upside. So a little bit of distance that the price still has to go, but right around $1.19, a very historical level that not only from a trading perspective, is that a very interesting area because of the track record, but just from an overall big picture storybook perspective, very, very important, because if the price goes down there and then just continues on down, now all of a sudden that would be putting that price at lows that have not been seen for several weeks, and that's just not a good sign at all as far as the bulls are concerned. But as of now, the price is still above that level, so we'll see if the price can continue to maintain above that area or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.